Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learners World. In this video, we are going to start with C programming. So, in this session, we will see a small introduction to C, various ways to define C and the history of C and features of C. Let's see them one by one. First, the introduction. The C language is developed by Dennis Rich for creating system applications that directly interact with the hardware devices such as drivers, kernels, etc. C programming is considered as the base for other programming languages because without the proper knowledge of C programming, you cannot understand the other programming languages, that is the modern programming languages. That is why it is known as mother language. Let's see the various ways to define C. C can be defined by the following ways. The first one is C as a mother language. C language is considered as mother language of all the modern programming languages because most of the compilers, JVMs, kernels, etc. are written in C language and most of the programming languages follow C syntax. For example, C++, Java, C#, etc. It provides the core components like array, strings, functions, file handlings, etc. that are being used in many languages like C++, Java, etc. The second one is C as a system programming language. A system programming language is used to create system software. C language is a system programming language because it can be used to do low-level programming. It can't be used for internet programming. The internet programming languages are like Java, .NET, PHP. C as a procedural language. C can also be defined as a procedural language. A procedure is known as a function, method, routine, subroutine, etc. A procedural language specifies a series of steps for a program to solve the problem. A procedural language breaks the program into functions, data, structures, etc. C is a procedural language. In C, variables and functions prototypes must be declared before being used. The variables and function prototypes those should be declared before using them. The fourth one is C as a structural programming language. A structured programming language is a subset of the procedural language. Structure means to break a program into parts or blocks so that it can be easily to understand and also it will be clear. In the C language, we break the program into parts using functions. It makes the program easier to understand and also to modify. Even the person who doesn't have a proper knowledge of C language can also easily understand and also write the code. C as a middle level programming language. C is considered as a middle level programming language because it supports the future of both the low level and the high level languages. C language is converted into assembly code. It supports pointer arithmetic, that is low level, but it is a machine independent, that is it has a little bit feature of high level also. So, what is low level language? A low level language means it is specific to only one machine, that is machine dependent, and it is fast to run, but we cannot understand it properly. Then what about high level language? It is not specific to one mission, that is it is mission independent, whereas low level is mission dependent and the high level language is mission independent. It is easy to understand. Let's see what is the history of C. How the C has come up. C programming language was developed in 1972 by Dennis Rich at Bell Laboratories of AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph, located in USA. Dennis Rich is known as the founder of C language also. It was developed to overcome the problems of previous languages such as B, BCPL, etc. Initially, C language was developed to be used in Unix operating system. C also inherits means it also has some other features, many features of previous languages such as B and BCPL. Languages that were developed before C are ALGO 1960, BCPL 1967, and all these languages are developed before the C language has come to the existence. So what are the features of C? All these are the features of C, like simple, portable, middle level, structured, rich library, recursion, extensible, fast speed, memory management, pointers, simple. So let's see them one by one. First one is simple. C is a simple language in the sense that it provides a structured approach to break the problems into parts. That is, C program breaks the problem into parts so that everyone can understand the problem easily. Mission independent or portable. Unlike assembly language, C programs can be executed on different missions with some mission specific changes. Otherwise, it can be used in any mission. Therefore, C is a mission independent language. Mid-level programming language. Although C is intended to do low-level programming, it also supports the features of high-level language. That is why it is known as mid-level language. So, fourth one is structured programming language. C is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using functions. So, it is easy to understand and modify. Functions also provide code reusability. That means we can use the code again and again. Rich library. C provides a lot of inbuilt functions that makes the development fast. Memory management. It supports the future of dynamic memory allocation. In C language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by using the free function. So that if there is any allocated memory and it is like we don't want that memory to be there, we can free it at any time by free function. Speed. The compilation and execution time of C language is fast since there are lesser inbuilt functions and hence the lesser overhead. So, eighth one is the pointer. C provides the feature of pointers. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. We can use pointers for memory, structures, functions, arrays, etc. So, pointers are very important and we will be knowing it further detailedly. Recursion. What is recursion in C? In C, we can call the function within the function itself. It provides code reusability for every function. Recursion enables us to use the approach of backtracking also. Extensible. C language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features. That's all for this video. For more videos of C language programming, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.